Hi, hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, let's get started today's practice. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Arjun, and I'm a student. I'm pursuing my BA in English literature. If I talk about my work, what I do, so if I talk about my passion, sorry. So my passion is to be an English trainer. So on that I'm working on. So to start today's practice, and I'll be talking about I'll be practicing speaking English, and my topic is that my father's habit. So first of all, let me introduce to you what I'll be speaking about. So now I'm in Delhi, and earlier I used to live in my village. I grew up in my village. So when I was in my village, so I have a lot of animals like cows, buffaloes. So my father is a milkman, and we do like milch animals every day and go to another village to take milk. So today I'm sharing my one of my incident that happened to me over there. That was one day, when I passed my 12th. So I was thinking about to do something like in my studies. If I talk about my work, so after having completed my 12th, I was free at home, and I was wandering about here and there. I did not have to do anything, and I every day, went to, I every day went to my farms and cut the grass to animals and do some work that is related to my farm. So yeah, but somehow I was not happy at all because I didn't like working there, and I was planning inside my mind to come Delhi to for the sake of my education, but my father was not allowing me to come here. So everything I told to my mother, and my mother, also refused 3 to 4 times to come here. But finally, I persuaded to her, and you know, what is, I would say to her every day. So one day she agreed. But now it was difficult to convince my father, because my father is type of angry person. He gets angry easily. So I was scaring to share my feelings with him, like I wanted to come here. So one day I collected, you know, courage, and I dared to share my opinion. And I kept all the things what I wanted in front of him. So first he got angry and he refused completely. You wouldn't do like this. You would stay here or do work with me. But in my mind, I was not happy at all. I was getting frustrated every day, because I had a dream to be an IAS. Even I said to my father that, father, if you do not want to, if you doesn't want to give me money, that's okay. I'll maintain my all expenditure myself, but please let me go there. Even he didn't allow me to come here. So when I seemed things not, things were not going as per my choice. So no, but I can't say that choice, but that's my decision. So then I took a step, and I came here. I But I was not angry when I came here. I told my father, my all family members. My father was, you know, angry. Even he didn't say to me anything when I came here, but still I touched his feet, and my mother's also, and I left my house. I came here. I prepared for 8 months, but unfortunately I, you know, got in depression. So that hurted me a lot. Even I didn't tell my single family member about it, like what kind of things I'm suffering from. So one day I thought, yeah, first of all, even while my, while my depression, I was studying. And one day I thought, I realized, if I, if I am like I was in that situation, so I couldn't do anything. If I thought every day like this, what should I do? What should I do? Because I was completely broken. So I when I one day I made a decision. You know I I kept my all the books from to the on the shelf, and I stopped learning or studying at all, completely. When one after 2 or 3 months, I realized I should go for another thing, because I had two dreams, A or B. My first dream was that to be an IFS officer. Before that, I was preparing for SSC, because I wanted to crack first SSC. Then I wanted to go IAS, because I did not have that much money to handle my all expenditures, or to manage my all expenditures. That's why I chose to go for SSC, and then I thought to go UPSC. But things was not working were not working in my way. So I thought, now I should move my dream B, and my heart completely refused me to prepare anymore. And I was kind of scaring all the things. If I started learning stuff related to UPSC and SSC, so somehow inside my eye, used to shiver. So when I heard my heart feelings, and I stopped doing other things. From that day, I joined an institute from where I'm learning. Now I'm also learning English. And I started working on my second dream. And I will not say that it's not my dream, because I'm also passionate about English. So I'm working on, and say in front of you, really, I'll be a good English trainer, because I'm working on my communication. So thank you. If you are facing these kind of things, so first of all, stop doing the things, and take some time, think about the problems, like what is exactly problem and what can I do. So go for the solution. When you will start, first of all, you have to stay silent for 1 month or 2 months. Enjoy all the things, because when I was suffering from this problem, I stopped doing all the things. I went to watch movie, not in the theater. I used to watch in my phone. I used to sing, so I used to listen, I used to listen to songs. Most of the times I watched a lot of movies. I did many things related to amusement. And then all of a sudden, one idea came to my mind to do this thing, so I opted it. So please, if you are suffering these kind of problems, first stop doing these things, thinking about more the problems. Go for another things, and take some take enjoy moments, enjoy every day. After that, you will get to know by yourself what's your plan, what can you do. You can, you will come across your strengths. Thank you.